The Totolink A2004NS AC1200 is a dual-band Wi-Fi router that delivers the fastest combined Wi-Fi speed up to 1187 megabits per second. With 4 high-performance antennas and 4 gigabit LAN ports, the A2004NS provides maximum range and high-speed LAN transfer. First, connect the modem to the router's yellow internet port. Then power on the Wi-Fi router. For a hardwired connection, please connect your router's orange LAN port to your PC's network interface. You can see the power, internet, 2.4G, 5G, and connected LAN indicators are lighting. The CPU is flashing. This means it is working normally. Open any browser. Type in 192.168.1.1. The pop-up shows 3 options. The setup tool guides you to the router's home screen. The Internet Wizard is the easy setup for internet connection. The Wireless Wizard is for quick wireless setup. Now click the Internet Wizard. Type in admin for username and admin for password. Choose the automatic internet configuration. The router will detect whether the WAN interface is connected normally. Wait briefly. Type in the correct user ID and password provided by your ISP. Then click Next. Save the settings and close the window. Now your internet is connected. Click the Wireless Wizard to set up the Wi-Fi. First, select the 2.4G setting. Then, check your SSID and click Next. Auto channel selection is provided. Click Next. Now choose the recommended encryption mode. Type in your Wi-Fi password. Click Apply and set 5G wireless network. Do the 5G Wi-Fi setup the same as the 2.4G. Check your SSID and click Next. Now the best available channel is automatically selected for you. Click Next. Choose the recommended encryption mode. Type in your Wi-Fi password. Now you have finished the basic settings for the A2004NS. Try any website to test the internet. For Wi-Fi devices, you can go to Settings, click Wi-Fi, choose Totolink A2004NS or Totolink A2004NS 5G. Enter your password. Internet connected. Enjoy your Wi-Fi world.